Go ahead, introduce yourself.
So good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shivam Vijay Varghya. I'm founder of Deal Edge. So basically, we all know that 30% of the GDP is contributed by MSMEs, and mainly MSME do not lose their profits in production, but they mainly lose their profits in negotiation, deal making. So businesses regularly 8 to 15% lose their margins in negotiation process, unstructured process, etc. So what is the real challenge is every week deal costs you lakhs. For example, you have a separate supplier with you. You do not check about the alternative suppliers for procurement of raw materials, machinery, etc. So in case you pay more to that supplier because you don't have alternatives. Second is there is no time to negotiate. If you are a factory owner, so there is a lengthy process to negotiate. So there comes a deal edge. So there comes a deal edge. We negotiate on behalf of you for your raw materials, machineries, etc. So how deal edge works? First, we analyze your deals, check what is your current supplier, existing supplier. Then we check alternative suppliers for which you can take the raw material from them. Then we negotiate for you the better price, the better quality, and the better production. And then you keep the savings by which you can save your cost. Then our vision is to that the businesses should be regularly have clarity, and it should not be dominated by the brokers and for the deal pressure. So the common questions which come in your mind is that will this damage my relationship with the existing supplier? No, we prioritize the relationship of your supplier. We basically check the alternative suppliers by which you can take the raw material, and it can reduce the cost of your procurement. What if supplier refuses to negotiate? Basically it does not happen, but we have alternative suppliers for you, so there are many options for that. How much deal edge cost? So their revenue model is that we take the fixed commission on the transaction value of the deal. So basically commission ranges from 1% to 3%. And for the year one revenue is basically around 15 to 20 lakhs, because first we will start the acquiring customer by directly cold calling or emailing, whether if they are not happy with their existing supplier or they want the supplier to be changed or have alternative option. So first you have to register your name, company name, phone number, and what do you want to procure, raw material, machinery, etc. Then we analyze your deal, and we find the alternative option.
How many clients are you looking in the first year?
Sir, 20 to 50 clients first year.
And how much do you expect them to order on an average order value for the year?
Sir, the average order value may be around 70 to 80 lakhs, and it can rises to 5 crore also for a machinery.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Makes sense. Fair enough. So first year your target is only 15 lakhs.
Yeah, because first we will acquire the customer, and mainly customer do not trust us first of all. So they will try with a shorter deal, such around 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs. So there will be we will charge afterwards the short deal on more commission rate. But first year we will try to take it around 1%.
Perfect. It's a very clear business model. Doesn't require many people to work on. Requires 1 or 2 people. Requires if you get 20 customers. See, it's a very simple thing. If you get 20 customers, everybody ordering, let's say average of 1 crore. Yeah? उसका 1%. 1 crore का 1% कितना होता है? 1 lakh. तो 15 से 20 लाख रुपए वैसे ही कमा लेगा वो. जितना तुम लोगों का फर्स्ट ईयर का सैलरी होगा, उतना वो वैसे ही कमा लेगा अपने में. फर्स्ट ईयर में. मतलब he has already broken even. सेकंड ईयर के अंदर वो 20 का 200 हो जाएगा, उसको पता भी नहीं चलेगा.
Word of mouth plays.
Word of mouth, then team, by the time he would set up his model, very practical model, very good, congratulations. Any questions from anybody?
No, sir.
Yeah? Okay, so what's the valuation for the first year?
So valuation will be 4 to 5 CR.
How?
So basically I am targeting that 10 lakhs, it will be 20 lakhs, so basically
20 lakhs.
Into 5 it is 10 CR, but I will be...
How it is 20 CR? 20 lakhs into 5 is how much?
1 CR, sorry.
1 CR.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So are you looking
1
for
to 2
investors?
CR. No sir, not currently.
Not currently. See, that is the confidence. That I don't need investors.
So because the initial capital is not
Not
very
a
much.
major question. और 1 crore पे इन्वेस्टर क्यों उठाना है?
Yes, sir.
किसी ने 5 लाख रुपए डाल भी दिए वो 5% इक्विटी ले लेगा.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the clarity right now?
Correct.
So you got to have the guts to say, boss, first year target is 1 crore valuation, but I am not looking for investors. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank
Very
you, sir.
good. Thank you.
So can I